In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear iCloud storage on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings and then tap at your name at the very top to move on to the Apple ID settings. That's where we can easily find iCloud. We need to get into it. And then just tap right here where it says Manage Account Storage. You will be taken to the page that looks like that. Just wait for it until it is loaded, and that's where we can choose which exact data we would like to back up using our iCloud. And that's where, first off, if you have shared your iCloud account with your family, as you can see now, in my case, it says family usage, so I can get into it. And it will say me that I'm using this amount of disk space and another family member is using that amount of my iCloud disk space. And if you would like to clear that data from your iCloud, first of all, you can stop sharing your iCloud with family by hitting right here, and that will remove all the data except your data from the iCloud. Also, in here, if we scroll down a bit, we can check how much of disk space each apps takes on your iCloud. So the first position is backups. We can get into it. It is showing here my current iPhone device. I can get into that backup, and now we can configure which exact data we would like to back up. We just need to wait for a while until this page is loaded, and then we can, by turning on or off that toggles, turn on or off backing up of some particular applications. Let's say that app takes 2.5 gigabytes on my iCloud. I can easily turn it off to delete this backup data from the iCloud, and in the same way we can hit at show all apps, and in the same way we can turn on or off backing up for some certain applications. After that, we can head over back to manage our account storage. The second position here is iCloud Photos, so we can get into it also, and on the next step we'll be able to enable or disable backing up our photos to the iCloud. If you would like to free up some disk space, in my case it is 9.5 gigabytes that is taken by photos and videos, you can easily tap and turn off and delete from iCloud to free up that disk space. And the same about any other application. Let's say you don't want to save your voice memos or some Safari data. You can easily, in the same way, enter any app from that list, and then you can hit add delete data from iCloud. That's how we can easily clear our iCloud storage, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.